So how the random forest work in the machine learning methods? So random forest is like a group decision making process where a bunch of decision tree work together to make a classification. Each decision tree is like a little opinion expert trying to classify the something. So how it will work? So imagine you have a satellite image of a region and you want to classify the land cover into different categories like a forest, water bodies and urban areas. Here is how random forest classify would like a work. So the random forest does not work like getting signature of that file. So it may be noted on a texture of that file or something that is randomly classified, means the random data it will be linked with that pixel that we are classifying. So imagine we are giving a classification, this is a forest, the tree as a forest and water body as a water and urban area as a urban or building as a urban. So you can think now it is creating a bunch of decision tree. Each decision tree is trained on a random subset of the training data and use a random subset of a feature. For my example, one decision might focus on the color of a pixel while other might focusing on the texture. So this is the working method of the random forest. So that is, it is called random, means that is different, the like base of classification is different from one pixel to another pixel. So like if it is classifying a one green pixel basing on its texture and another green pixel basing on its reflectance. So once you have a forest of a decision tree, the random forest, you can use each tree to classify every pixel in the satellite image. Each decision tree votes on the most likely land cover type for each pixel based on the feature was trained it. So this is working by the majority vote. Finally, you tally up with the votes from the all the decision tree from the each pixel. When the model is trained, it will get the data from the all the random parameters. So based on that parameter, it decide whether it is a tree, whether it is a urban area. The most land cover type that receive the most vote become the final classification for that pixel. For example, if the majority of decision tree classify a pixel as a forest, then it is labeled as a such in the final map. So we will see everything in practically in the course.